Henry David Thoreau once wrote, "I frequently tramped 8 or 10 miles through the deepest snow to keep an appointment with a beech tree or a yellow birch or an old acquaintance among the pines." He reminds us of the important practice of keeping appointments with the natural world. Appointments with daisies and trillium and columbine. Engagements with maples and hickories and ginkgos. Rendezvous with shorelines and sand dunes and wide open vistas. Why keep these appointments? Because a healing spirit is almost always waiting there to greet us. And we wouldn't want to be late, would we?